Hello everybody and welcome back to Dan-Ger, where every day it's raining. I mean, it's an adventure. I hope you're doing well, and we're here today in Broadway. But put those jazz hands away, because it's not that Broadway, it's the village in the middle of the Cotswolds, and it probably would look better in the sunshine. But let's go and have a look anyway. Check this out, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Oh, look how cool this place is. It's not open today, so we can't actually go on the platform, but it's the old railway station. Look at Broadway. Oh, I like the colour scheme. Very Victorian, I think, isn't it? And a phone box. Look, so you can order yourself a taxi when you get off the steam train, like the good old days. Oh, they've even got an old phone in here. Does it smell like piss? Oh, I can't. It's locked. You see the old rotary phone in there. God, they were a nightmare, weren't they? Oh, it's even got like old signs in there as well. Look, careful. And a mirror. Hello. Oh, a couple of daffodils out. Won't be long now. Hopefully, it will stop raining soon. Is that a radio? Wow. Welsh, Scottish, medium and long. No FM. Is that a walnut on the top? How many walnuts make the top of that? Look at the design on that. A couple of brass rings. That picks up Luxembourg. See the radio there, look. Looks like a heater, doesn't it? So many great things. Look at that, it's supposed to be a brass dish. But who would eat their spaghetti bolognese out of that and stick it in a dishwasher? I love all that. Look at that little design on there though. You can see where it's been hammered, can't you? All the little dents. Amazing. And it dates back to 1920. It's a horse made of cogs. Does it say on it? Man cave. There's a Porsche badge there. Oh, look at the old Cotswold stone. There's a pub if you need some refreshments that are overpriced. What we want is up there though. Still got some thatched roofs over there, look. Ah, that one's a nice building. This one. Works of art. I'll be the judge of that. This place, look, they've still got the Christmas decorations up. Oh, it's almost Valentine's Day. Fine art exhibitions. Ooh. I don't do fine art, I do rough sketches. Oh, they put a steel beam in, look, just to reinforce. That wood has seen some history. Look at the old clock. Is that a pocket watch? You need quite big pockets to put that in. Look at the exquisite work on that. Oh, all the inlay. The size of the fireplace. Where you'd cook your pig. Oh, look at all the wool. You got to be careful where you buy your wool from, because some places try and fleece you. Look at all the different ones. Bobble stitch. Basket weave. Amazing. The cabinet of curiosities. Some pipes. Look, we saw some of them at the Gladstone, didn't we? No idea what these are. Got some mummies in there, look. Golden cross. Is that Mother Teresa? Or just Mary? Could be Mary, couldn't it? Holding a Baba Jesus. Oh look, the rings of men. Is that a pair of boobs on the right? Are these all the old train tickets? Oh. Hopefully. Look, and there's an old telegraph. That's probably, is that what they used to wear on the railway? You've got your lamps at the top, look. Some plaques here. And for some reason these are all over the place. What are you doing? What even is that? Let me know in the comments what animal this is. There's a bit here about the station we visited this morning. It first opened on the 6th of August 1904. There it is, look. They were all cheering when it roared into the station. But just imagine it, you'd never seen a train before. Must have been like this magical thing, wasn't it? You only had these things to pull you around. Wow. We'll never have experiences like that again, because everything's been invented. What have I walked into? It's like a child's playground. What? All these flowers. Oh! Oh. Still miserable out there. Oh. Should we do origami? Leave it for someone. I ain't got time. Oh! Oh, look what people have made. Is this the sensory room? Wow! Oh, this is cool. So we're on our way now to the Broadway Tower. It shouldn't take more than an hour and so to get there and back. And hopefully I can get back to the bus. Otherwise it's a 5-hour wait for the next one. Down here, hopefully, this place would look a lot better in the sunshine. This is what I get for travelling at this time of year, but otherwise there'd be no content if I didn't. So I hope you appreciate it all. Look at where we've come from. Down there, look, shrouded in the mist. Across all these fields, and it's so waterlogged. Oh, this is hard going. Try not to slide on your ass every 5 minutes, but I think we're nearly there. I've just got to go through here, and I think over this hill we should be able to see it. Hopefully. It's supposed to be here somewhere, but I can't see 100 metres in front of me, so I'll probably bump into it in a minute. What a day. What a bloody day. Oh, sorry, I'm a bit out of breath. Whew. There it is, look, in the mist. Oh, Jesus Christ. There it is, look. Wow. Quite a tall tower, not as tall as some of the towers I've seen, but there's the, what are they called? Periscope. No, that's the thing on submarines. What's this? Telescope. So you can look at all that lovely view. Oh, look at the balcony and everything. It's a cool tower. I'm not paying that price though to go and have a look round, and we don't have the time either. So as far as the eye can't see, and then we have the amazing tower, look. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. A look at Broadway and the Broadway Tower. I'm going to go and run, catch the bus and get out of this bloody weather. So I'll see you all next time. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe out there and dry, hopefully. Cheery bye.